Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Good afternoon, Central Oregon. We are ending our day with a few clouds in the sky and still a little bit of a chance for some thunderstorms this afternoon into the evening. About a 20% chance that we actually take with us into tomorrow as well. Here's where we can see we are double stacking our advisory and watches and warnings today. We have this heat advisory, and that's for most of Central Oregon. You can see it comes right down along Bend and around the LaPine area. On top of that, we have a red flag warning, also known as a fire weather warning. These are in place. The one for the heat advisory is until tomorrow at 9 p.m. and then the red flag warning is until tomorrow at 11 p.m. We'll keep you updated on those if there's any changes, but you can see here the activity on our satellite and radar. That chance for thunderstorms is moving up from the south along with our winds tonight. We're going to see those continue for us up to about 15 miles per hour sustained into the evening, and then they'll back off overnight tonight. Not too strong of winds anywhere in the state on our map here, except in Klamath Falls at 21 miles per hour. Here's a look at the moisture in the air, and you can see a lot of activity off to our northeast. That moisture coming through, that's the green area, and there's quite a bit right now actually moving up through Medford towards our way, and there's the heat that was in front of it being pushed off to the northwest. Temperature-wise for today so far, we made it into the high 90s in Redmond, 101 in the Dalles, 100 in Pendleton, and then we saw those low 90s through the valley. Tomorrow, although we stay warm, we're not looking at quite as warm of a temperature. It's actually kind of the first day that we begin to cool down. We're looking at the low to mid 90s, maybe getting back into the hundreds in Medford, and then the high 90s in Pendleton, and then dropping into those mid 80s in the valley. Here's where we are right now. We're ranging from 71 in Sisters to 100 in Warm Springs, and then we're seeing those 80s in Sun River and LaPine, the 90s from Bend, Redmond, Madras, and in Prineville as well. For tonight, we have a warm night overnight tonight. We're usually about 45 degrees is the seasonal average in Redmond, so you can see we stay on the warmer side. We anticipate to keep some of the clouds, and then tomorrow we're looking at the high 80s to about high 90s in Warm Springs, and we have that 20% chance that we could continue to see some of those thunderstorms in the afternoon tomorrow. We're watching this high pressure system. It gets very strong, but it just barely moves, and so we stay right about the same placement of it, and that high pressure stays with us at least through the next couple of days. On our future track, you're going to watch a majority of the activity for the current thunderstorms that are on our way to our east. You can see them moving through. We have a little bit of a break, and then when we get into tomorrow afternoon, there's that chance again. For our allergies, we have finally seen the grass drop into low, and it looks like it'll stay there for us in the evenings for the next couple of days. Those thunderstorms have helped. Temperature-wise, we drop into those mid-90s tomorrow with that 20% chance, and you see we gradually drop until Saturday. That gets us right back to average. Then we continue to warm up as we move into the week.